Yeah, what's going on YouTube? Gonna show you something that most people don't seem to understand. And I just seen a video on fucking YouTube about where people buy new refrigerators and shit doesn't even last for like fucking 3 years, and then their refrigerator fucking dies, and then they blame it on the compressor or some fucking retarded shit. Now, if you're a repairman like I am, or aka a handyman, okay, I'm going to show you a little something, okay? Now, doesn't matter what make, what model, whatever. Most refrigerators are all the same, and they're all made in one fucking place. China or fucking Japan. And no, you can't fucking tell me they're not made there, because they sure the fuck are. Anyway, in the back of your fucking fridge, okay? You got to turn your fridge around, alright? And go underneath the back of the fucking fridge where all the little electronics and the fucking compressor is. There's a thing that sits on the compressor, or the fucking thing that kicks out Freon, okay? There's this little switch. See? It's got a hole here and a hole here, and it's marked MS, okay? Then there's another one that connects to the top of this, okay? They call it a overload circuit breaker or some shit like that. But this is the thing that goes down on the compressor like this, and then your over relay or circuit slow blow fuse or whatever fuck it's called sits up here. That plugs in first, and then this plugs into the back of it like that. And then you got your little wiring here. It says 1, 2, 3. And there would be another prong here for 4, but that's for the overload fucking circuit. Now, inside here, most people don't seem to understand this, is a relay chip. A PTC China-made relay chip. And it looks like one of them fucking button cell batteries. I'll show you what that looks like. I got all different makes, models, you fucking name it. Look at that. These are 22s. These are let's see, those are 22s. What are these? 33s. And look, these ones even have the little numbers on it. I don't know if I can get that to focus. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. See? It's the numbers and the degrees and the math or whatever for the fucking fridge to turn on. And then there's numbers on this side. See, this one says 156, and the other ones say about the same thing, 2133, and these say 2133. And then I got fucking these, which is 47, and these are 12s. So now what you do is, and this ain't hard to figure out, okay? You don't have to be a Chinaman or a fucking Japanese person to figure this shit out. You find out what your voltage rating of your fucking fridge is. Basically, you look on the fucking the compressor, and it'll tell you what the voltage is and what your Freon rating is, and then you go by that, and then you get your fucking chips. Okay? And then you take this off your fridge, okay? Because you just, you wiggle it off the compressor, or you use a flathead screwdriver and just Pop it off. Okay. Then what you do is you use like a small little like screwdriver, like for fucking repair, like basically a small little flathead screwdriver, and you pop this and you pop this, and this cover comes off, and there's a little fucking chip inside here. Let me see if I can get this up and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I already went ahead and opened it up. Here's the top cover. Okay. That's what turns your fridge on. See the little microchip? Yeah. That's what the fuck they look like. See, Japan don't want you knowing this shit because they want you to send your refrigerator back so they can charge you a buttload of fucking money when all you have to do is replace this relay chip. Interesting, huh? Yeah. And then to put it back together, you go like this. Ta-da! Got yourself a new relay chip for your fucking refrigerator. Don't have to buy a whole new fridge or a new fucking compressor or any of that dumb shit. Thank you for learning on my channel. Goodbye.